Hello and welcome back to Chop Busters. If you're a woodworking enthusiast looking to get more done without spending a fortune, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down 20 high-performing woodworking tools, all under $100. Let's get started. Bosch Self-Leveling Crossline Laser. The Bosch GLL50 Self-Leveling Crossline Laser, priced at $100, is a durable and versatile tool designed for professional and DIY use. It features both AA battery compatibility and optional lithium-ion battery support for flexible power options. The device offers bright green laser lines that are up to 4 times more visible than standard red beams, with an impressive accuracy of 5/16 inch at 30 feet. PREXISO Moisture Meters. The PREXISO Moisture Meter is a reliable, easy-to-use tool designed to quickly measure moisture levels in wood, drywall, and other building materials. Ideal for homeowners, woodworkers, and contractors, it provides accurate readings to help detect water damage, prevent mold growth, or ensure optimal conditions for construction and renovation projects. Compact and user-friendly, it features a digital display for clear results and is built for both precision and convenience at an affordable price point of $52.98. Dremel Blueprint Project Multi-Tool. The Dremel Blueprint Project Multi-Tool is a versatile all-in-one solution for DIY enthusiasts and home improvement pros. Smart speed adjustment and an ergonomic design makes sanding, cutting, scraping, and grout removal effortless. The LED backlit display allows easy use in low light, and quick accessory changes minimize downtime. The kit includes a 12-volt tool, battery, charger, and multiple universal accessories, all for $100. SKIL Cordless Circular Saw. Priced at $97.99, the SKIL 20-volt 6.5-inch cordless circular saw is a powerful and reliable tool for DIY woodcutting projects. It features a PWR Core 20 lithium battery with a temperature management system for extended life and consistent performance. The 24-tooth thin curve carbide-tipped blade delivers fast, clean cuts, while the saw line visor helps improve cutting accuracy. A 0 to 50-degree bevel range adds versatility for common angled cuts. TOUGHBUILT Reload Utility Knife. Priced at $24.99, the TOUGHBUILT Reload Utility Knife is a durable, pro-grade tool with a patented quick reload system for fast, easy blade changes. Its magazine-style design holds up to 15 blades, with a one-button release for safe removal. Built from aluminum and wrapped in non-slip rubber, it's made to withstand tough job site use. The knife includes both straight edge and hook blades, offering versatility for various cutting tasks. An integrated finger ridge guard adds safety and control during heavy-duty use. Twist Screwdriver. Priced at $65.15, the Twist 2.0 rechargeable 4 volts. Screwdriver is a versatile tool designed for comfort and efficiency. Its pivoting head locks in 3 positions for improved ergonomics in tight spaces. The forward and reverse trigger button allows easy one-finger operation, while 3 torque settings help adapt to different tasks. An LED light ensures visibility in low-light conditions. Folding 1-inch woodworking chisel. Priced at $15.98, the folding 1-inch woodworking chisel is a compact, durable tool ideal for woodworking on the go. It features a steel strike cap for added durability and a lacquered blade that resists corrosion. The blade folds neatly into the handle for safe, convenient storage, making it a practical addition to any toolbox. ProSensor 710. Priced at $52.95, the ProSensor 710 is a high-accuracy stud finder featuring 13 patented sensors for superior precision. Its wide LED display shows both the center and edges of studs, offering a clear view of their full width. With a 1.6-inch deep scan that auto-adjusts through drywall, it delivers reliable results without needing calibration. Just press and hold to detect studs instantly. Dewalt Angle Grinder. Priced at $85.18, the Dewalt Angle Grinder is a powerful, ergonomic tool built for demanding applications. Its high-efficiency motor delivers strong performance, while the soft start feature increases user control by reducing tool movement at startup. A dust ejection system protects internal components by removing debris, enhancing durability. The compact gear case ensures access in tight spaces, and the toolless guard design allows quick adjustments. Trend EasyScribe. Priced at $45.04, the Trend EasyScribe is a versatile scribing tool designed for precision and flexibility across a wide range of applications. Its articulated arm allows offsets from 1 millimeter to 40 millimeters, making it ideal for tasks like fitting doors, worktops, skirting, architraves, and more. A thin 0.5 millimeter guide plate fits into tight gaps, while the flat base maintains steady surface contact for consistent results. Jig C. Priced at $100, the Trend Jig C is a rugged, professional-grade routing jig designed for fast and accurate cutting of lock and faceplate recesses in timber doors. Made from durable steel, it offers tool-free setup and includes a full-length adjustable fence to fit doors from 34 millimeters to 58 millimeters thick. Quick-release clamps with non-marring pads secure the jig firmly in place. With 20 interchangeable templates, it suits all popular mortise sash locks, deadlocks, and tubular latches, and the included reference chart makes template selection quick and easy. Digital Angle Rule. Priced at $37.75, the Digital Angle Rule is a precise measuring tool ideal for woodworking, construction, and machining tasks. It features two 200mm stainless steel rulers with both metric and imperial scales, and a digital display that reads angles from 000.0 degrees to 360.0 degrees with 0.3 degrees accuracy. The rule includes a locking function for fixed measurements, easy 2-button operation, and an auto shut-off feature after 6 minutes to conserve battery. Film Abrasives. Priced at $8.09, Film Abrasives deliver aggressive, multi-material performance across wood, paint, plastic, plaster, and metal. Featuring advanced grain technology enriched with zirconium, they ensure fast, efficient material removal with minimal heat buildup. Aluminum oxide grains provide consistent, precise abrasion, while a stearate release agent in semi-open structure help prevent clogging and cracking, making them ideal for clean, controlled sanding on even heat-sensitive surfaces. Cabinet Hardware Drilling Jig. Priced at $39.78, the Cabinet Hardware Drilling Jig is a precise and user-friendly tool for quickly installing handles and knobs on doors and drawers. Designed for accuracy and repeatability, it eliminates the need for manual measuring and marking with self-centering scales in both metric and imperial units. Its reversible design suits left or right-hung doors, while protective rubber overmolding prevents surface damage. PCD Saw Blades. Priced at $76.97, PCD Saw Blades are premium polycrystalline diamond blades designed for cutting ultra-hard and abrasive materials with exceptional durability. Suitable for circular, plunge, table, and miter saws, these blades are ideal for materials like aquapanel, hardy backer, composite decking, laminate flooring, and fiber-reinforced panels. Featuring EDM ground PCD tips and a triple chip ground tooth form, with a plus 12-degree hook, they deliver clean, efficient cuts. Trex Hideaway Color Match Fascia Screws. Priced at $13.98, Trex Hideaway Color Match Fascia Screws are designed for a clean, seamless finish when securing Trex fascia boards. These screws are color matched to blend with your deck, providing a polished look without visible fasteners. Engineered specifically for fascia applications, they offer strong holding power and long-term durability, helping maintain both the appearance and integrity of your outdoor space. TrigJig Angle Finder. Priced at $69 USD, the TrigJig AF4 Angle Finder is a compact precision tool ideal for trim work, cabinetry, and metal fabrication. Measuring just under 5 inches with 4-inch arms, it fits easily in a pocket or tool belt while delivering accurate, on-the-spot angle measurements. Despite its small size, it features TrigJig's unique triple display design, showing protractor, miter, and single-cut angles clearly on a 2-inch face. CG3 Combi-Gauge. Priced at $79 USD, the TrigJig CG3 Combi-Gauge is a versatile precision tool designed for tradespeople who need fast, accurate measurements. Ideal for trim work, cabinetry, doors, moldings, and more, it simplifies tasks that are difficult with standard rulers or tape measures, especially in tight spaces. The CG3 features a triple scale, laser-etched into an anti-wear recessed surface for long-lasting accuracy. Ultra-Shear micro-bearing chamfer bits. Priced at $28.99, the Ultra-Shear micro-bearing chamfer bit is a precision-engineered, carbide-tipped router bit designed for clean, controlled chamfers in tight areas. Ideal for detail work on small parts, it features a micro-bearing guide that allows close trimming and chamfering where standard bits can't reach. With a two-flute design and a 1/4-inch shank, it offers smooth cutting action and superior durability. Veritas cabinet scraper. Priced at $100, the Veritas cabinet scraper is a high-quality, versatile alternative to a belt sander, ideal for cleaning workbench tops, removing dried glue, and smoothing panels or tricky grain without causing tear-out or gouges. An upgraded version of the traditional number 80 scraper, it features a longer sole and repositioned handles for better control and efficiency, especially when working off the edge of a piece. That wraps up our list of 20 woodworking tools under $100. Proof that great gear doesn't have to break the bank. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Chop Busters for more tool guides and tips. Got a favorite budget tool we missed? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.